I am gonna do a room review for you guys. This is the Embassy Suites here in Scottsdale, Arizona, right by the mall here. I'm gonna do a room review for you guys, so it's good. I didn't mean it is good. I mean, this is a nice room, so stay tuned. Let me turn around. It's a beautiful room. Look at, I got my couch. It's just me, all myself to this room. So let me turn it around. So I want to show, like, this is one of the buildings here. They have like a courtyard, and then there's my room down there, and then yeah, they got elevators, which is very cool. Oop, the button's over here. Walk in, and I guess all the rooms here are suites. So look at, I think this makes out to a bed. So this is the one king suite. I have my TV here, little like wet bar. But yeah, nice living room here. I'm gonna be hanging out here tonight, reading. Got a wet bar. I know it has a fridge. Is it here? Yep, there's a fridge. Microwave. We got Keurig. Hey, we got water. And yeah, I haven't even looked yet. So this is checking it all together. So this is my bathroom. Nice clean bathroom. Look at, ooh, we got shampoo, conditioner, all that. Nice. Nice lit up bathroom with the mirror. And then we got the king bed. Yeah, it's nice they got like a door here too, so you can have some privacy. Closet. Ooh, robe. Got the ironing board, iron. Got a lot of mirrors. That's cool. We got another TV here. And then the parking lot. It's right there. Free parking here, which is so cool. You know, some places they charge for parking. Here also they do have a complimentary, like, breakfast buffet, they called it. They do complimentary cocktail hour. So definitely gonna take advantage of that. I think it's from 5 to 6. So awesome. Yeah, definitely check this place out. This is here in Scottsdale, Embassy Suites. Very affordable too. Oh, we got pictures here too. So yeah, let me know if you guys have stayed here, if you guys stayed at Embassy Suites before. This is my first time, and Embassy Suites is with Hilton, so I did use my Hilton rewards. You know, gotta get the points. So leave us comments, you guys. Thank you for watching our video.